In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can skip like a boxer in less than 5 minutes, I guarantee it. So make sure you watch all the way until the end. This is probably the best guide you're ever gonna come across online, because no matter what level you're at, you can learn how to skip if you just follow these simple steps. So why do so many fighters skip? Why is it so important? Number one, it's a great form of cardio. That's why you see a lot of non-fighters skip as well. Number two, it helps with your timing and rhythm. You're gonna find out when you start skipping. And finally, number three, it's fun. It's enjoyable to do. You can do it anywhere, anytime, any place. So let's get straight into the video. And step number one is you want to ensure you have the right rope size. So grab the rope like this, step on it, and then make sure it comes up to around your armpit length. This one goes a bit above my armpits. It can come a bit below your armpits. Just around your armpit length is a good length to start skipping with. Number two is you're actually gonna put down the rope and we're gonna work on muscle memory. I used to actually practice at the bus stop on my way to school. So imagine the ropes are in your hand like this. We're gonna start off with 2 feet jumps. So like this, jumping over the rope. Imagine flicking the wrist as well. So you wanna flick the wrist as you jump. Small flick of the wrist. Your elbows don't wanna be too out. You don't wanna have them too close either. Just wherever feels comfortable. Flicking the wrist, time it. You can even bring your knees up a little bit more if you feel you need to get over the rope. So I'm actually imagining I'm using a rope. Now when I get the rope, it becomes easier. So we're gonna start with the rope behind us like this, and we're gonna start jumping with 2 feet, big jumps to start with. Land on the balls of your feet, not the toes, not the heels, the balls of your feet. Cool. Big jumps, we're gonna do one at a time, one like that, cool? Go again. Easy, yeah? So now we're gonna do continuous big jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you get good with that, you can make the jumps smaller. So like this. 1. Still both feet, flicking your wrist, timing it, making sure the rope speed is in line with the time you're jumping. It becomes easy. That's it, cool. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but smaller jumps. So you're gonna do continuous, but smaller jumps like this. Ensure that the time of the rope is in line with your jumps. You can speed it up a little bit. Now you guys got the hang of that, cool. Now we're gonna do alternate leg jumps. So this is the tricky part. So we're gonna start off big again, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, go from side to side. Over exaggerate the movement in order to not get caught on the rope, otherwise you're gonna get caught. Over exaggerate the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna go into smaller leg jumps. So same thing. You can see it's smaller. There's the boxer skip. You can make it much smaller now. Almost destroyed the gym. All right, so this is exactly how you skip like a boxer in a few simple steps. So you guys can see it's very simple, very easy to do. The main thing is just repetition, muscle memory, and just practice. Again, just keep practicing. Eventually you can start doing tricks, which I'll show you in a later video. But for now, you just want to practice doing the steps that I told you. So it becomes very easy. I can close my eyes, look right, look left, whatever. I can go side to side, alternate, crisscross, whatever it may be. Very easy. Double unders with a cross, Tyson, squats, whatever it may be, through the legs. So many different things you can do with the rope, but you want to practice these first steps first. So if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe, drop a comment down below so I know I'm doing the right thing. And also, if you like this t-shirt as well, one of my sponsors, Dina Fleck, well, my main sponsor, the guys that I'm working with, go to the description down below. You can use my discount code, Yassine10, and get your personal discount of anything on the store completely. So make sure you guys use it, and make sure you guys learn how to skip. Oh, my aura went, bro.